Hey y'all, I'm coming to give you a tour of my office, my newly reconfigured office. Ta-da! Okay, so when you walk in, you see my Dave Ramsey board with my goals. These are my old Dave Ramsey goals. So I'm going to erase those and put my new ones up, and they may not even be Dave Ramsey. Above it, I have Get Lost in the Right Direction. I got that from a teacher store. When you spend like $10, they give you free stuff. I found this nice little poem. It's like a prayer poem, actually, called The Tapestry of Life. And it has a cloth, tapestry cloth up here. And it's sort of like a prayer. Found that at Goodwill. Okay, over here is my data wall calendar. Data wall, it has my preliminary planning for chapters 1, 2, and 3. Something about chapter 4 that's really relating to mindset and how to approach that chapter when I get there. My appendix section is here, all filled up with stuff. And so yeah, that's a living document because I moved that around. Over here you see my diplomas. So this one is waiting to be fulfilled. I'm almost there, but I got the frame when I had some extra money. So ta-da! And then this is my most recent, well, 5 years ago? No, 2012 is when I earned this one. Guys, look how many years ago. It's been 5 years because it was December 2012, but good night, 5 years. And then this is my master's degree. It's been, oh my gosh, 22 years. Oh, older than many of my YouTube people that I know on YouTube. Here's my old trusty. Boy, it's dusty. Old trusty is dusty, but old trusty works. And then old trusty is sitting on top of this table, side table that I got from Goodwill for about, this was 20 bucks, under 20 bucks with the little teacher discount. And then I have my shredder, but my shredder is jammed, so I've got to figure out how to unjam it. There's a piece, see those papers stuck? And there's one stuck right on a blade, and I can't pull it out. I can't push it down, so then I just set those. I'm going to take those out of my basket. But this basket, don't you love this basket? Look at that basket. I love baskets. And then this is the desk that I work on. Oh, trusty desk. I love this desk. Here's my chair, guys. Remember the chair? I even made a video about my chair. Go back and check out the, I gave you all a tour of my chair. I fell in love with that chair. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, so here's my document that I am revising. I have my new calendar out. I have some notes. Look at all my trusty supplies and stuff. Here's that book I've been sharing with folks if they're interested. And then my 2 computers. Those lamps I got at Goodwill, and the lamps I put those LED light bulbs in there that mimic. This one is daylight, and that one I think that might be daylight, but it's coming off as soft light because I think of the actual lampshade. Okay, you see my documents that I use for support, and then these are just books and other things that I use. I got this cabinet from a family. Pretty much gave me this cabinet. It was so inexpensive. They were like, oh, do you need a cabinet? I said, yeah, okay. So bookshelf, cabinet, whatever you want to call it, bookshelf. Yeah, and this is me and my granddaughter. That's my grandson, who is much older now. And then this is what I got for my 25-year service at my first teaching job. And then I got this when I retired, Cinderella shoe. There's my EDS drape and cap. And that's my granddaughter when she was not even, she was a few months old. That was last Christmas, 2016. Yeah. So this is my life. I spend a lot of time in here. You know, I've made a little sitting area in case anybody wants to come by and talk to me while I'm working. And these are nice stools. I got these from the same family that pretty much gave me that bookshelf. Then I set these books right here because they were on the desk, and as you can see, there's no room. So it's a tight squeeze in here. And then I have, these are documents that I think I need them in reach. And then when I'm done with them, I'll move them, put them in the closet because I have storage in my closet. It's kind of decent. Then I have a whiteboard and a mirror that I got at a secondhand store. So my closet is not perfect, but it's kind of decent. Kinda. I know y'all don't see. I have boxes, so if you're sensitive, like I have baby boxes, feminine hygiene product boxes, stuff, you know, that I store things in. Okay, so that's my office tour and my little diffuser. Oh my goodness, this thing comes in handy. I really like it. I'm diffusing spearmint and peppermint blend right now. I mean, obviously not at the moment, but yeah. And it cleanses the air. For those of you who may not know and who may be curious, it cleanses the air of bacteria and viruses if you use it correctly. Okay. All right. So that's that. Thank you for stopping by. Now you gotta go. I'm kicking you out. Goodbye. See you later. Come back now here. All right. See ya.